Hey everyone! In the previous videos, we saw how to build AI agents for channels like voice, SMS, WhatsApp, and chat using Plivo's Vibe agent. Today, we're going to programmatically trigger a voice AI agent in Python. By the end of this video, you'll have a voice AI agent for appointment reminders that your Python application can trigger over HTTP. First, let's build the agent. Head over to AI Studio, open Vibe agent, and start typing your prompt to define what the AI agent should do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered voice AI agent that calls patients to confirm upcoming doctor appointments. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your voice agent. Inside the API request node, Plivo generates the endpoint URL you'll call from your systems. Below that, you'll see the API auth ID and API auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API request details, you define the schema for the payload your application backend will post whenever the trigger condition occurs. Next, click on this dropdown to select your preferred language. For this video, let's select Python. Plivo generates a ready-made Python snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. Use this snippet as a standalone Python script or from within your Python application to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever an appointment event occurs. For example, when a new appointment is created or when a reminder needs to be sent the day before. Let's test it locally. Paste the Python snippet into a new file, save it, and run the script from your terminal. It will send a post request to your agent's URL and immediately trigger your voice AI agent.
Hi, Sarah. This is your appointment reminder assistant calling from Green Valley Clinic. Is now a good time to talk?
Yes, that's fine.
Great. I'm calling to remind you about your appointment with Dr. Miller on Thursday at 3 p.m. Would you like to confirm or reschedule?
Yeah, please confirm it. Thanks.
And that's it. Your voice AI agent for appointment reminders is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your Python code calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent, place an outbound call from this number, and run the entire reminder flow automatically.